want to pander to it. But when a nation's destiny is at stake, you need statesmen, you need people who have the courage to put Kenya first and everything else secondary. So, what am I saying in conclusion? I am saying Danny and team have a job to do. They will be briefing Right Honorable Raila Odinga and myself on what needs to be done. We will be able then to guide what will be happening, what the executive need to do, what the legislature, the role the legislature need to play, and the role others may need to play. And as we do that, we will need another opportunity to be granular. It was the first occasion for us to deal with this. But at least the ministers to come minds between the executive and the legislature on matters that are further down the road. We may need that engagement. Maybe not in a sitting like this. Maybe we can organize a retreat for 2 or 3 days so that the questions I see members of parliament asking on some of the programs, we can fully understand the import of the programs we are running, what they are meant to achieve, the transformation that is supposed to happen, and how we position ourselves to make sure that we provide the push necessary for that transformation to happen. Again, focusing on the greater picture, the bigger picture of our nation. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to say thank you very much for coming for this session. I know we will listen to you by way of feedback on some of the things that you want us to respond to. We are here because we are one team and we want to succeed together. And we want to make sure that none of us is left behind. Are we together? So, mimi nimesema asante sana. If there are any questions directed to me, I will be willing and ready to answer. If there are some directed to any one of us here, we will be able to answer. And then the rest, we will deal with it together. Asanteni sana, and God bless you.
We may have our seats, honorable members. Your Excellencies, the President and the Prime Minister, honorable members, let us give the two party leaders a hand of applause. Your Excellency, if you did not hear two-term for yourself or the Prime Minister, it is principally because we recognize and appreciate your very
My work is easy because I use ClickUp. Here's how I keep track of all my tasks.
Oh,